So technically speaking, you never met the uncle that you looked like. Kung nag-EDSA, you were 9 years old, si Ninoy nakulong siya many years ahead pa. But you never met him personally because you were
So I
very
did.
young. Ah, you did?
Pero wala kaming conversation.
Okay.
Kasi I think I was 3 years old nung bago siya lumipad ng Amerika. Siya, by the way, Karen, papaalala ko lang, nakakulong siya for almost 8 years. And ang kwento ng tatay ko at nanay ko is that when I was a baby, until I was 3 years old, nabibisita ko naman siya. And karga-karga niya ako, magjo-joke siya, dito na lang to, iwan niyo na tong batang to. Iiyak ako, ganyan. I have no memory of that. Sa museum, naka-blow up doon yung kalendaryo niya. Yung like sa preso, di ba? Yung everyday na nakapreso ka. Eventually, magkakakalendaryo siya and he would make marginal notes on the calendar. And doon sa birthday ko, the day after my birthday, meron siyang nilagay doon, it's a boy. Ako yun. It's a boy.
my.
Paul Benigno the 4th.